Today I'm going to show how to fix a hole in a washer gasket. So there's the hole that happened because somebody washed hockey gear in the washer, and I'm going to patch that hole. So there's really no good way to fix this. There's only one way I can think of that will be chemically and mechanically sound. So I took out the washer gasket from the washer, and I soaked it in bleach for about a day or so, just to get all the mildew stains out of, and it's like brand new except this hole here. So after many different thoughts in my head, this is what I've come to. So here's a nylon washer with a nut, and I'm going to insert it through here, and that's effectively going to be sealed off from the back side like so. I'm going to tighten that nut until it tightens all the way, and I'm going to put in Gorilla Epoxy in there so the nut won't move after the fact. Using nylon and epoxy will keep it chemically sound, so the laundry detergent is not going to eat through that. And on the back side I have steel here, but it's never going to seep water or anything like that, so it should be fine, or chemicals. Alright, that's really done. So I got some of that Gorilla Epoxy on it, and this nut is really tight on that. It's not going to move. It's somewhat cured, so I can show you how it looks on the other side. On the other side, I did not apply any kind of a glue or anything because I want that to look good, and it's actually pretty tight. There's no gap there. Even though it looks like there's a gap, it's like really tight. And I just hand tightened the nut. I didn't want to over tighten it and break that nylon nut or nylon bolt. So what I'm gonna do is, actually on the back side, which should not see any chemicals, I'm gonna apply a little bit of a silicone caulk on the outside, so if water does get there, it doesn't flow on the outside here. And that should take care of it. Thanks. It's the finished job with silicone caulk on the back side, Gorilla Epoxy, so that should be watertight, man. And on the front side, all that there is nice and clean nylon washers. I don't know if you can still see, but there's that hole showing through, but it's sealed off on the back side.